Start showing you the left hand tricks, which is basically where you flick the Diabolo with your left hand. Notice how my right hand there is staying completely still and my left hand is just moving and pushing around. Now I'm starting to make them go a little bit higher. See how my right hand is right up in the air? That helps with the catching and letting it roll down the string. Now I'm going to show you how to go around the leg. So again, you get your flicks at a nice height, and then you learn where to put your leg in when it's the Diabolo's at the highest point. Here I'm trying to keep my leg on the floor and still go around. Now I'm going to put 2 Diabolos into one hand and then pass it under the leg. It's quite a sneaky little trick, this. It's very easy, but you blink and you miss it. So I'm just going to show that to you in slow motion. There's the hand, 2 in one hand, passing under the leg and continuing around. Now these going on to leg stalls here. Now you can get creative with these. I'm just showing you the basics. So that was a stopover on my left thigh. That's it on my right thigh. That's it on my right ankle. But you can flick from your left leg to your right leg to your ankle. I'm just showing you some grinds because you can add those to your leg stalls as well. And you can get quite creative with that. You can flick it from one side and stall, and then flick it on the other side and spin those Diabolos around. Okay, pretty much finished that section. We'll move on to the right hand tricks now. Okay, now we're moving on to the right hand tricks. These are what I call push tricks. You see here I'm pushing that green Diabolo around the yellow one and almost isolating that yellow Diabolo just for a moment. So pushing that round, just showing you what to do on a trapeze. So always do your left hand trapeze first, followed by the right. And it's really useful for if you have an accidental wrap, say if you fail a sun or fail a sprinkle and you've got a wrap, you can just flick out of it. So this is a really useful and easy one to learn. This is a magic knot. I'm doing a wrap on the right, but stalling it, so inverse trapeze there, and then just do another inverse trapeze and throw it up, keeping the stick facing forwards. Very easy, worth doing. Suicide, exactly the same as one Diabolo suicide. Try and take it nice and slow and catch the stick. This one is the sun. This took me ages to learn and I couldn't find a good tutorial, just couldn't get it. So I've given you another few views of this. If you have any questions, just ask me to try and
Okay, push
it.
now.
So you push that green one through underneath and it goes through your arms. You see how the green one catches the string on the left. Once you can do it, but it takes ages to work out what's actually happening. So keep pursuing that, and I found that when I did the right hand sun, it came to me automatically executing that left hand sun. See, like that. So that just happened accidentally. Sprinkler, one of the most fun, easy tricks to learn. Try it with a suicide release. It's actually easier than the unwrap. This is the last of the tricks. I'm using both hands and it's just a balance. This just takes practice. You might get 1 or 2 bounces at the beginning. Just keep practicing it and it'll get better. On to the last section of the video, and I'm going to show you how to do 3 different starts. The first is a throw start. This is how you hold the Diabolo either at the front like I do, or in the middle. You see how my middle finger's in the middle. I throw it up in the air and I catch it on the string. Try and keep the throw nice and straight. Okay, second is the stick suicide. It looks really cool and it's quite easy, so give it a go. And then the last one is the front wrap. I'm going to give credit to Toby for teaching me this one. He just discovered it one day, and it's really good because you don't have to put 2 sticks in one hand. You can just use a single stick, just a little throw and then catch and keep going. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Give me a like. Now you got to go practice.